मेरे आबाद रहे तू, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से। पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
Good evening, one and all present here. Today we are here to celebrate our 75th Independence Day. May I request Neelam ma'am to please start this quiz.
Good afternoon, everyone, respected Shikha ma'am, teachers, and my dear students. India is a beautiful country with rich culture, variety of flora and fauna, and a great history. India became independent on 15th August 1947. This month, we will be celebrating our 75th Independence Day. To celebrate this occasion, we all have gathered here today. I welcome Shikha ma'am, our officiating principal ma'am, to motivate the participants with the words of wisdom. Shikha ma'am, please.
Thank you, Neelam. Pallavi, can I have this screen stopped? We can share the screen again.
Yes. Sonish?
So, my dear students, a very warm good evening to everyone and a nice good evening to my staff members also. Today, we all are here to celebrate our Azadi Ka Jashan. You know what we are. Today, we are independent. We have got our independence from the Britishers, and now it's 75 long years. Now, coming up with this project only in order to educate our children, in order to make them a good citizen, we started with various series of activities, and it began from 14th of July, wherein every day one particular state is being taken by our teacher. We are sharing important, vital information related to that state. I hope that information is definitely going to enrich you. It is enriching you. It is interesting information because I myself, I've learned so many different things, and all credit goes to our social science department, Pallavi, Neelam, Flora, everyone. During this particular venture only, we started with our children are sharing their small folk dances with us. We got Gidda, we got Goan dance. Everything was so popular. Our children are so excited. They are showing their true spirit of being an Indian. Right now, also on my screen, I can see my lovely, lovely children wearing tricolors, even my teachers wearing tricolors. This is really wonderful. This is unity. We all stand together, irrespective of caste, color, and creed. Now, without saying much, I would like to invite our quiz master for the day, Pallavi Sharma. She is going to continue with the quiz. Along with Shrisha, I think Shrisha is our scorer. And we also have with us We have who is the fifth next teacher with us?
Ma'am, Shilpa.
Shilpa. Yes, Shilpa is also going to play a vital role. So all the best, Pallavi. We begin with our quiz. All the best, children.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Shikha ma'am. Thank you, Neela ma'am, for giving me this opportunity. That today we are celebrating our 75th Independence Day. My dear children, you know that India is a cradle of the human race, the birthplace of human speech, the mother of history, the grandmother of legends, and the great grandmother of traditions. Our most valuable and most artistic materials in the history of man are treasured up in India only. A warm greeting to Shikha ma'am and Neelam ma'am, my dear colleagues and all the students. Tell me, I forget. Teach me, and I may remember. Involve me, and I learn. This is the motto of our school, Shri Guru Nanak Public School. Playtime is precious for all. Play build brain pathway for thinking, creativity, and flexibility. So today we are here to play our quiz, Patriotic Trivia. As you know that all the games which you are playing, just like in our quiz, we are having some rules, we are having some rounds. So let me explain the different rounds which we will play. The first round is, which is very important, and you will get 10 marks. That is the rapid fire round. I will ask you the question and you will get only 10 seconds to give the answer. I know that you all are very much scared. If you will give the wrong answer, what would happen? Don't worry. No negative marking for you. After the rapid fire round, we are having another rounds also. And these are identify the picture, identify the voice, map questions, and the last round in which you have to identify the state also. So let's begin the quiz with the rapid fire round. All the very best to my students. Let's begin the rapid fire round.
All the best.
So now I will ask the question one by one to all the students. Shonik, please stop this screen share so that I can see all the faces. So my first question is for Harsha Bansal. Which is the southernmost tip of our country, India? Your time starts now.
Ma'am, repeat question.
Which is the southernmost tip of our country, India?
Asia.
No, which is the southernmost tip of our country, India? Yes, who will give the answer? Raise the hand. Yes, Anika.
Kanyakumari.
Kanyakumari. And there is one more. That is for mainland. Chris Chawla.
Indra Point.
I'm Indra Point.
Indra Point in Andaman and Nicobar. Very good, Chris. So now you get 10 extra points. Now the next question is for Hiba. Hiba, which state is known as Jewel Town? Hiba, which state is known as Jewel Town?
Ma'am, repeat the question, please.
Which state is known as Jewel Town?
Manipur.
Manipur. Very nice. Very good, Hiba. Next question. Ayush Bansal, that is for you. Where is the largest car making plant of Maruti situated?
Gurgaon.
Yes, Gurugram or Gurgaon. Very nice. Well done, Ayush. Well done. Next question for rapid fire is for Anika. Name the only seasonal river of the Western Desert.
Luni.
Luni River. Nice. Well done. Next question, our lovely Leansh. Yes, Leansh, question for you is, who encouraged miniature paintings in India? Who encouraged? I'm repeating the question. Who encouraged the miniature paintings in India?
Ma'am, Madhurmani.
No? Who can give the answer? Who want more? Yes. Yes, Hiba.
Buddhism.
Repeat.
Ma'am, Buddhism.
You are not audible.
Ma'am, Jainism.
No. The Rajputs were the first who encouraged the miniature painting in India. So no point, dear kids. Be alert. Now the next question is for Kashvi. Kashvi, the question for you. Name the holy book of Buddhism. Kashvi, question for you. Name the holy book of Buddhism. Kashvi, your time started, beta. Name the holy book of Buddhism. Time up. Yes. Yes, Yashika.
Ma'am, Dhammapada.
Very good. Extra point for Yashika. Very nice. Dhammapada. It is the holy book of the Buddhists. Now the next question. Ganesh Karoda. Ganesh, question for you. Which city is also called the Silicon Valley of India? Which city is also called the Silicon Valley of India? Ganesh,
Ma'am, Bangalore.
very good. Bangalore, 10 points. Next question, Lavanya Sharma. What is the another name of river Brahmaputra?
Ma'am, repeat now.
What is the another name of Brahmaputra? Kashvi?
Ma'am, Red River.
Which river?
Red River.
No, what is the another name of the river Brahmaputra in Tibet, or what we can call Brahmaputra in another name?
Ma'am, Jamuna.
No, Ayush? Ayush Bansal?
Ma'am, Sampo.
Sangpo, very good. 10 marks for Ayush. Well done. Next question, Yashika. Yashika, question for you. Who is called the father of the Green Revolution in India?
M.S. Swaminathan.
M.S. Swaminathan, very good. Next question is Naitik Goyal. Which is the holy book of Parsis? Naitik Goyal, which is the holy book of Parsis?
This is not clear.
Better speak little loud.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट क्वेश्चन मैम आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं है.
Which is the holy book of Parsis?
Ma'am, Zend Avestar.
Very good. Zend Avesta is the holy book of Parsis. Yes, class. Who left? Please raise the hand. Lavishka. Lavishka, question for you. Which state is known for orchids? Lavishka, which state is known for orchids? The beautiful orchids. Time up. Hiba?
Ma'am, Maharashtra.
No. Natik?
Ma'am, Sikkim.
Very good. Sikkim. Sikkim is known for its beautiful orchids. Very good, very good. So, Shisha ma'am, can you please tell us the score?
Yes, ma'am. Anika 10, Ayush 20, Hiba 10, Kanishk 10, Krish 10, Netik 20, Yashika 20.
Very good, very good, very good. So, those who
All
are
the
not,
best for the next round.
please don't disappoint because we are having some another rounds also. Shawnee, can you please play? So now we will start our second round, that is the identification. What you are supposed to do, we will share you the picture and you have to tell the answer by raising your hand because we are not having a buzzer. So you have to raise the hand. Whosoever will raise the hand, Shilpa ma'am will tell the name and that child will get only 10 seconds to give the answer. Our first picture, please. Yes, class. You have to identify the exceptional
Kashvi.
a physics, botanist, and a pioneer in radio science and more. He conducted experiments to prove plants feel heat, cold, light, noise, happiness, and pain. Yes, Shilpa ma'am. Who is the
Kashvi.
Kashvi? Please give the answer.
JC Bose.
JC Bose. Very right, Kashvi. Very good. Very good, all of you. Now, the second picture, please. The only Indian woman to win 2 Olympics medals.
It's Anika.
PV Sindhu.
Very good. Very nice, Anika. Yes, PV Sindhu, our pride. Now identify the dance. This dance is performed by Buddhist lamas during special occasions like the Panglap Salt Festival. Yes, Shilpa ma'am.
Hiba.
Yes,
Hiba,
Hiba.
give the answer.
Who is the next, ma'am?
Ayush.
Ayush.
Ma'am, ma'am, mask dance of Sikkim.
Very good. It's a mask dance. Very beautiful dance of Sikkim. Very nice, Ayush. Now, the next slide. He is an Indian tabla, virtuoso, composer, and percussionist and music producer. Who is he?
Krish Tawla. Ma'am, Zakir Hussain.
Very good, Krish. Very good. Well done. Yes. Next slide, please.
Children, please put your hands down.
Identify this famous monument constructed in 1591 AD. Is a monument and mosque located in Hyderabad, Telangana, India.
Anika.
Charminar.
Very nice. Charminar. Right answer. Well done. Well done.
Harsha Bansal, please put your hands down. Don't raise your hands before the question is completed. Pallavi ma'am, you can continue now.
Can you please tell the score?
Anika 20, Ayush 10, Kashvi 10, Krish 10.
Very good, very good. All the best, all of you again. Now, jumbled words. What are these jumbled words? What you are supposed to do? We will ask you the question, and these are the jumbled words. You are need to unscramble the jumbled words using the hints to tell the correct answer. Yes, the first question. This is also known as Kala Pani, was a colonial prison in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, India. You have to
Naitik
solve-
Goyal.
Yes, Naitik.
Ma'am, cellular jail.
Can you please spell?
Ma'am, cellular jail.
Jail, right? Can you please spell?
Ma'am, C-U-R-R. Ma'am, C-U-L-L-A-R. Ma'am, J-A-I-L.
CU, cellular jail. Cellular jail. Right answer, Naitik. Very good. Now the second question is, this is the famous festival of Kerala.
Anika.
Onam.
Very good. Onam. Can you please spell the Onam?
O-N-A-M.
Right. Onam. It is a very famous festival of the Kerala. Yes. The next question is, this city is also known Pink City, a beautiful city.
Hiba.
Jaipur. J-I-P-U-R.
Very good. Jaipur. Right, Hiba. Well done. Now the next question. This is the famous drink of Kashmir and now everywhere.
Lovyansh.
Ma'am, groom.
You have to tell the answer. A famous drink of Kashmir.
Ma'am, इसका word ma'am gourmet है.
No. Who is the another student?
Naitik Goyal.
Naitik?
Ma'am, कहवा.
Kahwa. Very good. Kahwa is the famous drink of Kashmir. Very nice, Naitik. Very good. All of you, well done. Shisha ma'am, can you please tell the score so that we can start the next round? Locate the place.
Yes, ma'am. In round 3, Anika got 10 marks, Hiba 10 marks, Naitik 20 marks.
And what about the other students? Please be fast. Whosoever will pass, get the marks. Now, next round is locate the place. You have to locate the place by the map. So the first question is,
Please put your hands down, Yashika Gaba.
this is the state of East Central India. Its capital is Raipur.
Lovyansh.
Ma'am, Chhattisgarh.
Very good, Luansh. Right answer, 10 marks. Now the next is, the territory is bounded by the state of Haryana on the east and by the state of Punjab on all other sides. Now you have to tell
Yashika.
Union territory. Yes, ma'am.
Yashika Gaba.
Yashika?
Ma'am, Delhi.
No, it's not Delhi. Who is the another student, ma'am?
Kashvi Dhawan.
Kashvi? Okay, I'm giving you one more hint. It is the capital of 2 states.
Ma'am, Chandigarh.
Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the right answer. Okay, now the third slide. An union territory of India located in the western part of the country.
It is Lovyansh.
Ma'am, Daman and Diu.
No.
Next student is Anika.
Anika?
Dadar and Nagar Haveli.
Yeah, this is the Dadar and Nagar Haveli. Very nice, beta. Very nice. Now the fourth one.
Lovyansh, please put your hands down.
The state is most famous for Dandiya dance and Garba. Name the capital of state.
Ayush Bansal.
Ma'am, Gandhinagar.
Very good, all of you. Very good. Well done. Little bit tough for you, I think, but very nice. Shisha ma'am,
Natik, please put your hand down.
Shisha ma'am, please score.
Yes, ma'am. In round 4, Anika got 10 marks, Ayush 10 marks, Kashvi 10, and Lovyansh 10.
Okay, now class, this is a very interesting round. Guess who am I by voice. I will read a question, then you will listen one voice. You have to identify that famous personality. Again, you have to raise your hand. Whosoever will raise the hand first will get the chance. Okay, so the first question, identify the voice of famous actor, producer, and a martial artist. May I have voice, please? Be alert, everyone.
मैं आज धन्यवाद अर्पित करता हूं
Lovyansh, Ayush, please put your hands down.
नागरिकों का
When you will hear the voice, then only please you raise your hand.
Tony, please wait. Class, first listen the voice, then I will ask you the question, and then you will raise your hand. So please, okay, have patience. Yes, beta. First,
Natik.
आज इस मंच पर मुझे थोड़ा मौका मिला कुछ बोलने का। वैसे मैं हमेशा स्पीचेस से कतराता हूं, लेकिन आज श्री अमिताभ बच्चन जी को, who is the winner of the Indian Film Personality of the Year, उसका अवार्ड है, तो मैं कुछ बोलना चाहूंगा सर, अगर आपकी इजाजत है।
Children, please put your hands down.
मैं ये कथा आपको बता चुका हूं पहले शूटिंग के दौरान। आप सबसे एक छोटी सी बात शेयर करना चाहूंगा कि इनकी पर्सनालिटी हम जैसे
yes class, yes students, tell who is this personality, a famous actor, producer, and martial artist. Yes, Shilpa ma'am, who raised the hand first?
Natik Goel.
Natik?
Ma'am, Akshay Kumar.
Very good, Akshay Kumar, Rajiv Bhatia. His real name is Rajiv Bhatia. Yes, Akshay Kumar. Now listen the second audio. Then I will ask you the question. Yes.
Put your hand down, Natik Goel.
मैं आज धन्यवाद अर्पित करता हूं देश के कोटि कोटि नागरिकों का। धन्यवाद इसलिए नहीं कि उन्होंने चुनावों में भारतीय जनता पार्टी को इतनी बड़ी सफलता दी, इसके लिए तो वो हकदार है ही।
Yes, so my question is,
क्योंकि लोकतंत्र के इस महान पर्व को
he is a personality of motivation.
बहुत उत्साह से मनाया है।
He is a personality of motivation who rose from a poverty-stricken tea-selling boy to a development-oriented leader. Yes, Shilpa ma'am.
It is Ayush Bansal.
Ayush.
Ma'am, Mr. Narendra Modi.
Very good, Ayush. Yes, our Prime Minister Narendra Damodar Das Modi ji. Very good, Ayush. Now the third audio, please.
Please put your hands down, Natik Goyal and Lavishka first. Natik Goyal, you also put your hands down.
हर समय नदी की बाढ़ के अक्सर सब बह जाया करते हैं, हर समय बड़ा तूफान प्रबल पर्वत भी झुक जाया करते हैं। अक्सर दुनिया के लोग समय में चक्कर खाया करते हैं, पर कुछ नरेंद्र मोदी जैसे भी इतिहास बनाया करते हैं।
So the question for the audio. He is an Indian politician, television personality, and former international cricketer. Yes. Who is Shilpa ma'am? Who raised the hand first?
It is Natik Goyal.
Yes, Natik.
Ma'am, Shubdeep Singh Sidhu.
It's not Sujit Singh, it's Navjot Singh Sidhu. Okay, we'll give the mark. It's Navjot Singh Sidhu, a famous personality of our country. Now the last voice which you have to be fast, everyone.
Natik Goyal, put your hands down, please. Everyone, please put your hands down.
Viewers, I'm making an open appeal. Shazia, I'm making the appeal today because this battle is going to be long. It has been long and it may be hard. But if I have the support of the people, Rohit, we will battle through. The only thing that pushes us through is not finances, not support, and not resources. Our single greatest resource is the support of the people of India. Therefore, today, as my team battles it out, viewers, as our newsrooms in Delhi and Mumbai and across the entire country battle it out, we at Republic want to hear your voice.
The question for this audio. He is an Indian journalist, TV news presenter, and editor-in-chief of the news channel Republic TV. Yes, Shilpa ma'am.
It is Anika.
Anika?
Arnab Goswami.
Very good, Anika. Arnab Goswami. Very nice. So, Shisha ma'am, I think.
Yes, ma'am. Total.
Thank you so much, all the students, for your participation. Now, Shisha ma'am will declare the result. And
so, Anika got 60 marks. Ayush got 50 marks.
Good.
Hiba 20. Kanishk 10. Kashvi 20. Krish 20. Then Lovyansh 10. Netik 60. And Yashika 20. So the winner is Anika and
not winner. Now the Shika ma'am will ask the question because we are having a tie. Two students got 60 marks. So
Anika
now the
and
ma'am will
Natik.
ask the question and then we will find the final result. Ma'am, please.
Okay. So should I go for the tie question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll be asking the question from whatever we have shared with you on every state. Fine. So you're going to tell me, my first question is, which is the village of taboos? Village of taboos. I want the right answer. The answer will be answered by two children only who have a tie-up. Ties between?
Anika and Natik Goyal.
Okay. Natik Goyal and Anika. Village of taboos. It is located in Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Anika has raised her hand.
Yeah, Anika.
Malana.
Wow, wonderful. Wonderful. We get our winner. Anika wins the quiz, followed by Naitik
Goel.
and third is Shrisha. Okay, so Anika followed by Naitik Goel. Pallavi, all the children really played well. जीतना और हारना तो ऐसे ही है. Today Indian women team lost the match by 4-3. So ultimately we could not get the bronze, but it is a part of game. You can win, you can lose. Now, dear children, if you have, I am just remembering a program which comes on television. It says, क्या आप पांचवी पास से तेज हैं? तो अभी हम ये पांचवी पास से तेज वाला प्रोग्राम अपनी टीचर्स और बच्चों के ऊपर भी चलाने वाले हैं. I am going to ask few questions. The question will remain open for the teachers also, except for Pallavi, because Pallavi has been the quiz master. She has enriched her knowledge. So Pallavi cannot answer. Rest, the choice remains open for everyone. Everyone can unmute themselves and they are going to give me the right answer. Pallavi, I'll be really thankful if you can give me a sharing option.
Yes, ma'am. Please make the ma'am host.
So now the testing comes for the teachers also. Thank you so much for making me host. I'm going to ask you, children, this is no winning, losing. I'm just checking your information, because whenever I get the information, I read through the lines. As Anika told us, Malana. Children, I would like to add a bit of information. In Malana, you cannot touch anything. See, this is a wall behind me. The people from outside, they cannot touch the houses, they cannot touch the walls, they cannot touch even the shop of Malana people. And their devta is Jhumru Devta. Their devta is Jhumru Devta. और सारे जो डिसीजंस होते हैं वो झुमरू देवता लेते हैं. झुमरू देवता ने जो बोल दिया वही फाइनल है. तो बहुत टैबूज हैं उधर, रिस्ट्रिक्शंस हैं. सो ये था मलाना के बारे में. नाउ कमिंग टू माय क्वेश्चन फॉर एवरी वन ऑफ यू, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ चॉकलेटी क्वेश्चन. This is going to be a chocolatey question. Once the school reopens, you come to school, you're going to get Cadbury Silk from my side. First question. Second largest wall after Great Wall of China is located at which place, which state? Yashika Gaba. Yashika?
Ma'am, Great Wall of China.
Listen to my question carefully, my dear child. I said, which is the second longest wall after Great Wall of China? It is located in India. It is located in one of the states of India. Please tell me at which place is it?
The Kumbhalgarh Fort.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
Very good.
Wonderful. See. One sec. Okay, I'll be giving you a chocolate. It's loading. Next question is, Tropic of Cancer. It passes through which place and in which state? 3 participants have raised their hands. Who are they? Yes, Hiba.
Rajasthan.
It is
Gujarat, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh.
No, it is not Chhattisgarh. Who is going to tell me? Otherwise, all chocolates I am only going to eat.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, because I
Ma'am,
am
हाँ बताओ.
raise the hands.
हाँ बताओ.
The middle part of
Ma'am,
the
Maharashtra.
हाँ जी.
the middle part of our country.
Rajasthan, ma'am.
Yeah, but which place?
South of the state Maharashtra.
Ezawal in Mizoram. So this chocolate is mine. I don't give it to anyone. Pallavi, should I eat it?
Yes, ma'am, with me.
It is mine now. Okay. Next is question number 3. Children, that means you're not reading every day the state which is being shared by us. My questions are coming from there only. Ayurveda is the mainstream medicine in which state? Where is Ayurveda the mainstream medicine? In which state is it? Yes, Lovyansh.
Ma'am, Haryana.
तुक्के चला रहे हो आप तो. चलो कोई और बोले.
Ancient India.
Yes, of course it is in India, but which state?
Ma'am, Kerala.
Kerala. Okay, so you get. Who is noting down the chocolates? Who answered me?
Ma'am, Anika.
Anika, आपको पहली चॉकलेट मिली या सेकंड मिली?
First.
फर्स्ट मिली है. पल्लवी नोट कर लो प्लीज. अनिका की फर्स्ट चॉकलेट आई है. और इससे पहले कुंभलगढ़ भी किसी ने आंसर किया था.
Yashika, ma'am.
Okay, my last question now. Last question. Kalinga War was fought by Ashoka the Great. In which state did it happen? Kalinga War. Hiba. Hiba.
Ma'am, Odisha.
Odisha. So Hiba she also gets a chocolate. This is virtual chocolate, but you're going to get the real one soon. Thank you so much, children. It was a real pleasure interacting with you. So many things we learned from you. Neelam is there or not? Okay, now, yes. Children, yeah, Neelam.
So I think everybody has enjoyed, even I enjoyed the quiz. And students, I hope you should read the books again, little bit. Because you are living in India, it's a huge country. So you should know what the diverse culture, religious beliefs, the festivals which are celebrated in a country. So I request Shikha ma'am to congratulate the winners. Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations on the dear winners and all those who participated in this particular show. Our 12 children are real gems. They qualified the qualifying round. It was done in the classrooms, and ultimately we selected the best cream out of it. Sometimes because of the phobia of media, the children lose their confidence, but still it was really wonderful. Now children, as madam has told you, we have diverse culture. We should all love being Indian wherever we live. आज हम इंडिया में हैं, कल हम कहीं और भी चले जाएं, लेकिन अपने देश के साथ हमें बहुत प्यार होना चाहिए. We should be true Indian. We should love our country India. हम हिंद देश के निवासी, सभी जन एक हैं. रंग रूप वेश भाषा चाहे अनेक है. With this note, I thank a big thank you to Neelam Flora madam, Pallavi, Shrisha, and Shilpa. A big thank you to Shilpa, because if Shilpa was not there, we could not have monitored who is raising the hands first. So ultimately, a big thank you, Pallavi.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
ma'am.
so much,
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
All children,
Thank you,
okay,
ma'am.
can everyone just come on the screen? We remove the spotlight, and everyone, we are going to have the picture together. Pallavi, you can take the screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Pallavi,
Yes,
yes, yes.
ma'am. But
Okay, V for victory. V for
Ma'am,
victory. Children, make a V sign. V sign. Yes.
done, ma'am.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hind.
Thank you. Thank you so much.